guys, it's Brittany with BI Beauty, and today I have a little unboxing. So on Instagram and Facebook, I think I just asked people in general if they would be interested if Abby, Casey, and I did a little more lifestyle on our channel instead of just like skincare, makeup, and everything. Because like Abby and I are moms, so there are so many things in our life that we could talk about other than makeup. But I wanted to share this with you guys. It's a website delivery service that I found called Grove Collaborative. And I've been trying to be more aware of what kind of chemicals I've been using in my house, and like shampoo, everything. I have asthma. My one son has asthma, and I'm starting to wonder if maybe my youngest might have asthma, maybe allergies, and I have allergies as well. And of course my other son does too. But and one of my sons has eczema too. Sorry, my curtain's moving. My dog is here, and if I'm not paying attention to her, come here, Belle, make your appearance, come here. She is the most jealous baby. She is the biggest baby. But this is Bella. We've had her for about a year, and she is just a blessing, and she drives me absolutely insane. But I'm really glad that we got her, and she's such a baby. She's a pit bull Shar-Pei mix, and I just can't. She drives me insane, but she is one of my children, and she knows it. She treats me like her mom. She will literally try and sit in this chair on my lap with me if I would let her. Oh, I'm sorry, I just poked you in the eye and hit your nose. I'm a mean mommy. All right, Billy, get down. I gotta do this video. Okay. Anyway, so I've been trying to be more conscious about what we're using at home, but not spend a ton. That's been, Bella, the biggest struggle for me. I am a stay-at-home mom. I am in school. My husband does work full-time, but you know, money is tight. We don't have a lot of extra. You got to be on a budget. So I've been trying to find ways of saving money but using good products. So Grove Collaborative, and this is my order this month. I didn't get anything crazy. How cute is this? They even have little spring tape. I don't even remember what I ordered, so it's like Christmas. Does that mean I'm old and a mom? I'm like, oh, it's like Christmas, and it's like cleaning stuff. Okay, so I got a packing slip, and right off the top I've got the Grove Collaborative Walnut and Cellulose Scrubber Sponge. So it comes with two, which I feel like we go through these like crazy, so that's nice. And our dishwasher recently broke, so my husband and son have been doing the dishes. Bless their hearts. So the only thing I don't like is all the plastic packaging. I wish we could find a way to get away from all that. That would be cost effective, because I know that's hard. Okay, ooh, what did I order? Okay, so I got the Method fabric softener, and this is in Beach Sage. I like the scent, but there was another one I liked more. It was just back ordered, and I'm like, I need fabric softener. I know they carry it at Target too. I'm not sure. I know Meijer carries certain Method products. So these are in stores. It's just convenient for me to have them delivered once a month or whatever I decide to do. Oh, okay. I like that they tape them, because I always feel like stuff spills and leaks. So I really like this stuff. This is the Method Antibacterial All-Purpose Cleaner in the scent Bamboo. The scent is so good. I feel like I clean my counters and everything with this, and my house just smells like clean. And it's like, but not like that obnoxious clean, just nice. Is that weird? Probably. Let's get back into this. Man, ooh, I'm throwing the box at me, but this is really good too. This is my second on the the softener, the antibacterial cleaner, and this. The Method Wood for Good Daily Clean Cleans and Dusts. And this is in the scent Almond. Ooh, this stuff smells so good. I'm obsessed with this. Love these two. Okay, what else do I got here? Let's take this out. I'm totally filming this while my youngest is taking a nap, so I'm like, gotta get this done. Oh, okay. 7th generation, free and clear. It's natural laundry detergent. 0% fragrances, dyes, artificial brighteners. And this is a 50 fluid ounce liquid. It's supposed to do 33 loads, and it is, I think, good for the energy efficient washers. USDA certified bio-based product. Okay. I have not tried this yet. My only problem with some of the more natural laundry detergents, I didn't feel like my stuff was being clean. So I had to kind of, I'm playing around, trying to figure it out. So I'm going to try this for the first time. If you've tried it, let me know what you think. Ooh, almost at the bottom. Oh, okay. This one I got free. I am part of their like VIP program, so like you pay, I'm probably saying this wrong, once a year, a certain amount of money. So it's like free shipping and that kind of stuff. And they give you like free offers every now and then. And then I got the Grove Collaborative hand cream. And this is in the bergamot orange with moisturizing coconut and rosehip oil. Sorry, my lights are a little janky until I figure this out. I wanted to be able to film at home. I'm always scared I'm gonna like squirt it in my face. That'd be karma, because when I was younger, I was with my sister in a store and I had her come over and smell a bubble bath, and I squirted it up her nose. Totally on purpose. It was worth it. Oh my god, I totally got it on my nose. It smells good. So I'm really excited to try this because my hands are dry AF right now. Ooh, okay. Oh, I like that scent. It's not too strong because I feel like right now my allergies are crazy and I have migraines 24/7 right now. So a strong scent would have just probably sent me over the edge. But I like it. It's a little more that natural scent. You know what I mean? Like that you walk in a natural store, that certain scent, but it like mixed with the orange. Okay. Okay, so this I do know is at Meijer because I used to work there. But this is the Burt's Bees Herbal Complexion Stick with tea tree oil. My skin has been going through a few things. So, hope I don't look too orange because I'm trying a new cocktail today. I tried like a new primer. I tried like a mix of foundations. I have been going through it. And I'm pretty sure my foundation oxidized. But it was like fine for a while. And all of a sudden, oompa loompa. So, I ain't sorry. I'm gonna experiment. Alright, so that's what it comes in. After facial cleansing, simply roll on as needed. And let's see, how much is in here? It's 0.26 fluid ounces. Okay, so I'm really excited to try that. I'm like obsessed with skincare. And luckily my skin is on the rebound from whatever was happening. I don't know if it's like the time of year, allergies, all that stuff. But like I have fine lines here. You know, I smile a lot, I laugh a lot in life. I'm 30 now, so it is what it is. So, and I have like the sunken eyes kind of here. So I know I have fine lines, but all of a sudden they came out with a vengeance. And I was like, I look old in like 1 week. So it was crazy. And so I've been on like a mission to find life again. But that's kind of off topic. But I'm just obsessed with skincare right now. That's what I meant. Okay, so I got the laundry detergent. I got the laundry softener. The free hand cream. And the Wood for Good, the wood cleaner. Antibacterial cleaner. And that is it for this month. I think last month I got a few more things, but I was trying to keep it on the budget this month. But I knew I was running low on these and I was out of fabric softener. And the way my kids are living life lately, I was gonna run out of fabric detergent any minute. So let's see, did we get everything? Checking my little packing list. And really, it was like really reasonable. I had to pay the $19.99 VIP fee. It was my VIP free trial. You can get a free trial. Ran out. So I had to pay that. And then separately I paid for these. So it was a little more expensive this month. But I'm not mad about it. It's kind of cool because like if you put a certain amount of products in your cart, sometimes you can get free things. So check it out for sure. It's the Grove Collaborative. And if you've tried any of these products, let me know. And if you're interested in anything, let me know because I might have tried it. And yeah, I don't know if you guys want to see more videos like this, like products we're using, how we feel about them. I know this was just an unboxing. I didn't really tell you too much about them, but I kind of wanted to put it out there and see what you guys thought. So, totally off topic, but I have to give a shout out. My daughter is in 4th grade. Her name is Claire, and she is 9 years old. And today, her and her Clumian team for 4th grade in her school won 1st place in their competition. And I think that's so awesome. Like, anything with books. And I'm like, yes. And I was like that proud mom back there going, that's so good. You go, girl. And she had bunny ears on the whole time. And one of the judges told her it brightened her day to see them. So I know that made her day. I'm just really proud of them. They worked so hard and they did so good. But that's it for now. I'm actually getting ready to pick up kids from school pretty soon. And then after they go to bed tonight, or even tomorrow maybe, I have a new foundation. It's not like a brand new foundation. It is new to me. And I've been hearing really good things. Like, I waited a little while, so it just came. And I can't wait to do it. Do you guys want to do Foundation Fridays? Because I love foundations. I love them. And I have, like I said, my skin's going through something right now, so it's a little different. Usually it was on the combo to oily side, and then I went dramatically different to a desert dry. So now I think I'm like bouncing back in between them, but I have a new foundation, so really excited to do a video with that. And I think that's it for me. I've been talking enough, and I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.